Okay, good evening. On today's class, I promise I'm going to. I told you that today's class, which is the second day, I am going to show you how to convert those images you generated into videos. Remember, it is just a simple short clips to represent to show what you're explaining in your audio, right? And if you have any question, do well to ask the questions. It is not a one-way teaching thing. It is a two-way thing. If you have a question, you ask, I answer you, I teach another one. Normally, I'm not supposed to drop another video for you today. You're supposed to make sure that I'm supposed to make sure that you're finished. You have studied the one I sent you, and you have generated some pictures with it, which it is still going to happen. You're going to send me the pictures you generated, the images you generated, according to any niche you can use for example, or any niche you want to do. So you can see this place I have marked. That is Leonardo AI. Is the app I told you that we're going to use. I will also bring out I was also you can use Google Flow. The same thing you're doing here now, you can do it in Google Flow or any other app that you can research for yourself. So all you need to do here is you download the app. If you don't, you just go to Play Store and download the app, and then you can see the logo. You see the logo. Then you see the name. Use it and then go and download it and use it to do what I will ask you to do now. So all you need to do is as you open the app, it will open like this. You register, you sign in with your email address. You sign in with, I'm not supposed to be explaining that one. You're supposed to know how to sign in. So you click on this generate, right? You click on generate. You can see generate here. You click on it down here. As you click on generate, that same image, that same script, that same prompt that you use in generating the picture is the same prompt you're going to use to generate the image and the convert it to video. So all you need to do is you come to settings, and then if you want to generate, you can see there are two options here. There are two options here to generate either, sorry, you can generate either a portrait, which is like a real, or you generate landscape, which is like YouTube, Facebook long video, or you generate let's say Facebook, YouTube long video. This is for real. If you want to use real, you just click on it like this, and it will open. Sorry, let me click on here. Click here first. Click on this place. I want to confuse. You see this place? This place they wrote this place. Click here. You can see they gave me 150 units here, credits here for free. You can see here they gave me 150 credits. This 150 credits now you can use it to generate 2 video clips. So you just click on it. As you click on it, you go down. Each of them that you click, you will see how many this thing. You go down. This is the one I use. This motion 2.0. Then it's on video already. It has to. You can generate that same image you generated the other side. You can still generate it here. It's not more like only that I like the color that one generates. But you should try it here. If it gives you what you want, you can still go ahead and use it, right? So you click here. Then they will ask you for prompt. Let me use one of the prompts. Let's say hyper. Okay, like this now. Hyper. This thing is the link that I copied, that I used to generate those pictures. So all I need to do is to put it back here, right? and then add anywhere. You can add video anywhere, hyper realistic, whatever video of, you see. Then you add the picture, you look for the picture. Let me use this picture. Let it upload the picture, and then we'll generate it. And see the picture, right? You can see what they're collecting here is 70 credit. See where it is. See it here. Let me remove this one so that you'll see it. See here, 70 credit, right? So you can use it. 70 times 2 is 140. You still have like 10 remaining. Tomorrow they will still give you another credit again. So let me go back to, okay, I want to generate it as portrait. So now you click. See where I clicked, Abby? This was the place I clicked. I clicked on this go button here, this arrow button here, and you wait for it to generate. In just few seconds it will generate. I'll just do like 2 or 3. I'll just show you this as an example. Then I will generate another format. If I generate this one or this portrait, I will generate a landscape format, and then I will leave you to go and practice it. My network is really giving me issues this evening. I don't know why this router is giving me problem. Let me just wait for a few minutes for it to generate. Okay, so you can see it. It's playing. You can see. You can see the video. Network is slow. I don't know, even unable to load. Okay, but this is the video. You can see how the video is playing. You can see it. So all you need to do now is, my network is bad. What you need to do is to click on it and it will open, and then you will download, you will save it in your diary. Like this now. You can see how the video is. So as it's playing like this, your voice, your vocal, this is explaining the thing on the background, right? So you click on save, click on this place, and it will save. My network is really bad. So that is it. If you want to generate another format too, landscape format, it's just for you to go back here now. You don't need to upload another picture again. You just come here and add. You have already pasted the prompt. You just come back here now, click on this setting, and then change it to, from this side to this side, right, to 16.9. It is on 9.16, which is portrait. Change it to 16.9, which is a YouTube format. If you change it to 4.5, 4.5 is Facebook format. That normal square format, that's Facebook format. So anyone you change it to, if that's this size it will generate with that same picture you uploaded. You don't need to upload another picture. It will still generate this thing for you, but in a format, in a landscape format. You don't need to be uploading plenty pictures over and over again. So the next thing I'm going to show you in the next video is how to, after you have generated these different videos, different scenes. Let's assume that you're talking about medical implication of drinking paracetamol. You can decide to generate video of as you drink, as somebody that is holding a man that is holding cup or a woman that is holding tablet, right? That's holding tablet or putting tablet in his mouth. Generate different pictures that suits exactly what you are describing. You understand? Let's say a man that is going to church, a family of five that is going to church. You first of all you generate a picture of family of five persons, a man and a woman with three children. Then you show them outside where they're going outside, a picture of where they are outside the house, a picture of where they are at the front of the church, a picture of where they are sitting in a row inside the church hall, a picture of like that, like that. That one, you use your initiative to do it. I will not be the one to tell you how many pictures or how many scenes to generate according to the description that you want to give. That one now does not have anything to do with it's just as you're describing as your that picture, that video, as you're using them to generate that video you're generating is just to keep the eye busy while the ear is hearing what you're explaining. So that for easier understanding of whatever you're explaining. Okay. So the next one I'm going to show you how to merge these videos rather, in CapCut. How to make these videos in CapCut. If you don't like the video that was generated for you, you can also edit it. You can come back and change the prompt, say, okay, do it like this or do it like this, right? So that's it. Thank you.